Hi, I'm Scott Shipe with Western Maryland Master Gardener. Um, Today I'd like to talk to you about a great reference book that if you're a farmer or a gardener, this is ideal if you live in the Mid-Atlantic region of the United States. It's called the Common Native Tree Reference Book of Virginia. And it's a tree identification guide. It's extremely well written and basically it's applicable really to Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia, Delaware, the certainly the entire Mid-Atlantic region of the East Coast, and it's just logical. Again, well written. It's easy to use. The keys are easy to use, but I highly recommend it for your library, or if you're just interested in trees. Anyway, thanks for subscribing to Western Maryland Master Gardener. And again, consider getting this book, which is the Virginia Department of Forestry publishes. And this is the 2010 edition. It's called the Tree Identification Guide, Common Native Trees of Virginia. Anyway, thank you and have a great day, my friends.